I am deeply saddened to hear of the passing of our Holy Father yesterday. We will always remember his humility, his desire to be of service to all people, his desire for peace in the world, to remind us that we all are brothers and sisters in Christ. Holy Father was aware of God's mercy until his last breath. The world has lost a great leader and a great loving father. Pope Francis was a true disciple and true followers of Christ. May his holy soul rest in peace in heaven.
My sentiment about the death of our beloved Pope Francis is that the world has lost a great shepherd, a leader, a man of humility and faith. We have lost the father of the world who cared large family, poor and neglected. A man without boundary loved everyone, leaving behind the legacy that will be remembered generations.
Sung tabuk belai kha khama baino o sini gizano ko gothom laijak sung saiman ka miani salo sini Pope Francis bo o hayung no o sungsar koto mano yakarui bo chukna hawa kaitor bai mol brum brum tongnani bagai sini mo thangnai se subrai Jisu Kristo bai tlangjagi bo osungsano yakat thangka phiaba abo sini bagai o hayung ha kotorma joto Christian nokni bagai belai ke kha khamani kop haipano sung Bible ni kaisa kokno mutumano sung kathang tongpru bo subraini no thuithangi bo subraini no aboni bagai sung poitok khlayo sini Pope bo tabuk subrai Jisu Kristo bai baksa chukna hawo molbrum brum tongnani bagai no thangka tam khaiba bo hai khoroksa kotor belai kotor khoroksa leader bini kabang mas samung o bini 12 botchoro sung lukha bo asuk umorung jak phano belai kesrang klayoi borokno hamjagoi borokni bagai bo Kristo dai mati samung khailangka sung lukha kabang ma YouTube rokobo kaisa desh baite kaisa desh soba nanglaifru bo ajrao bo a desh ni bagai bo surika kabang ma desh roktongu masaya manangya geroi a aro rokobo chungmukha bo subamung rohormani church ni bisingtui abo hai rajya rogo abo hai state rogo abo hai countries rogo bo buskanga goi borokno subana bagai bo church ni bisingtui samung tamu chungmukha aboni bagai chungmukha bini kaisana surima abongka o hayungo joto bororok khaksangai kesang kesang kai tongi manthung bo khaksang ma o tongthok ma abono no bo appeal khayu joto bororok no ka aboni bagai chungmukha abo belai khe nangmani sung khakhamo aboni bagai sung bini bagai sini surima gizarago bo sung naragai tong hambai